Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, and I would like to share with you my craft haul for today, which is the 28th of February. I did have to go out and do a little bit of shopping, and I always have a quick look in my little craft shops and that, and I just wanted to share with you what I found today. I'm super excited to show you, and it's really just this series is to show you that crafting doesn't have to be mega expensive. You know, you can craft on a budget. So let me show you what I found today. So I'm going to put all these to one side and go through everything with you. So okay, this I was super excited about because when I opened it, it's really actually quite cool. Now this, we have a shop called Poundland. So this whole bag of oddments of threads was £1. Look at all this. Now this is great, oh my gosh, for so many different things. I mean, look at this, how long this thread is, and there's a couple like that. We've got it in, oh, I love this. I've just realized I have some tassels this purple would go fantastic with. But I mean, just look at all of this, you know, to give texture to your projects. And all this bag was just £1, and this cord is fantastic. I do like this cord. There's cord in here, and quite a long length as well. So if you tie that up to make it tidier, if you're like me, I do have messy cords, but I also try sometimes to tidy these up. So we have, let's just do that again. Oh my gosh, this is lovely, this cord. I love this. So we'll have to find a project to use this on. But this whole bag, like I said, was £1. Now that's really colourful, this is. If you want to tidy it all up, you can, or you could just leave it, oops, in the bag. Oh, I can't do that one now, forget it, as it is. But lots and lots of lovely lush. This gorgeous shade of green is lovely as well. I don't know if you can see in this light, but just gorgeous. So all of this was £1. So let's pop this all back in here for now and get working with this later on. I'm sure I can find something to put that on. So oops, put that one in there as well. So all of that was £1. I also went into one of my favourite shops, Paper Chase, and oh, that one wasn't, and they had, no, is that all of them? Some reduced washi tape. So it was 4 rolls for £2, and these are kind of like nautical sort of theme with ahoy there, a stripy one with anchors on, gold anchors, and a stripy red. So yes, 4 more washi tapes for my collection. Oh gosh, see, look, I'm a craft addict and my name is Chanel. Well, my name is Chanel and I'm a craft addict. I'm sorry, I can't help it. Then, because I'm doing my planners and my junk journals at the moment, I did go and get some tassels, and I have included one of these packs in the giveaway that I'm doing. Now this was £1.49 for 4, and they're like suede things. They were that was from the range actually, and also this pack was from the range for £4. But look, it's got like this suede cord, pom-pom tassels, pom-pom edging, and 8 tassels. So you're gonna have lots of fun with that. And then we've got these super shimmery thinner tassels, which are £1. I'm not sure, I can't remember where I got those ones from actually, these ones. Very cute. So we have lots of tassels. Found these felt butterflies. I thought these would look lovely in my gorgeous junk journal. I'm going to put one of them in there. And you got 9 for £1. So, you know, you could do quite a few projects with those lovely felt butterflies. And look at this. Now, I want to add some texture to my junk journal. And, oh my gosh, look at this. I have to show you. Look at this. Now, this is £1. And if I can find the end. Look at this. Oh, that's so cool. Look, it's got little leaves in it. How cool is that? Just so cute. Look at that. I just love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. I saw it and I was like, you know when you see something and you're like, oh, I like that a lot. So we have some of that. That was £1. And then we have some crochet trim. Let's see if we can get into this. And this is just, look how delicate that is. That's just beautiful. Oh no. I see some crafting coming on later on. And then we have this gingham ruffle ribbon. So let's, oh, can't get into it, where are we? And this is just so pretty. Look at that. And that was £1 as well for 2 meters. So we'd get a lot of projects out of that as well. Then I had this is an odd washi tape, beautiful day, it says on there. So you could just tear a piece off and stick that on one of your pages if you've had a good day and it's a beautiful day. So pop that in there. Now, sticky tabs and post-its, really cool for your planners and junk journals. These are £1. I've included one of these in the giveaway as well with the little animals on. Super cute. And these cute hello stickers as well, sticky notes, which I'm going to put in one of my journals. And then I found this in Paper Chase, supposed to be £5, reduced to £1.50. I always look for new inserts for my planners, and because obviously I have the planner punch, we can turn anything into a planner page. And this is a shopping list, and this is what you tick when you're out of these particular items. So super, super cool. Now, I'm probably going to have to, not sure how I'm going to punch this because there's not much space here. I'll have to figure that out. Or, oh, actually, no, I could punch it. No, I'll punch it this side and put it in this side. Punched in, because it doesn't matter if we miss a little bit of this, that'd be perfect. But I'll show you on another video some of the things that I've used as planner inserts. But this is so cool, and it's a whole pad of them and reduced to £1.50. So what I normally do if I get a pack like this, I'll punch it all and share it with my daughter, because she now has 3 happy planners as well. So very cool. And then in the range for £1 for 3, if I can separate, oh, I can't separate these now. I've got these little mini tubs. As you know, I'm trying to, oh my goodness, they're stuck together. Let me just get these. I am so not strong. Oh, there you go. These are a set of 3 little mini tubs. They were £1 for 3 little tubs, and they will be great for oh, just lots of things. I'll show you in some of my other storage craft videos what I do with these, but these will be great for my shelf, or you could put them in drawers as separators. Just perfect. Little mini tubs. I'm not going to put them together because I'll never get them apart. So this is my craft haul for today. I was quite good. I didn't spend that much money. I was pretty good. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, £15, and I got all of this. So super cool. And I just wanted to share that with you. So when I go out on my little travels and I find some good craft goodies, I will share that with you. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.